Are you done with your test already?
No, not exactly.
Well, you have 20 minutes, so hurry up.
What do you think the future is going to be like?
Well, that's a big question. What's got you thinking about that?
Well, I don't know. Sometimes you hear parents talking or something on news and it feels like there's a lot going on.
This is TedED. It aims to spark and celebrate the ideas and knowledge sharing of teachers and students around the world. So all of these questions you have, you can most likely find an answer here. You start here and click as a student, then you can type in anything you want to know. On the TedED website, you can watch thousands of videos about several different topics, or go in depth with just one that you're interested in, checking out the Discover section under the top categories.
Wow, are these the same people that do TED Talks?
Yep, TedEd is one resource that allows students and teachers to keep up with the world.